Boom, shakalaka, motherfuckers. Let's play some stupid suffers. Look at this, babu. Look at that, bam. Oh, sexiness. About to go this way, watch. Boom. Bam. Bam. Yeah, I'm just playing Mario Kart. While my cousin is playing 2K15. This is my first video on this stupid channel. Yeah. I'm gonna see how long I can go. I haven't played servers in a long time. Bam. Boom. 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 Jukes for days. Wow. Let's go there to my home. Let's name hunting around this bird with tag bot. Oh no, no. Some bullshit. I have a player. What's this? Oh. I got a board. Ah. That scared the hell out of me. Did you do that? What was that? Stop playing. That was not funny. Yeah, let's see. Nope. Let's play again. Boom. See that sexiness right there? Jump. Jump and jump and over this bitch. Boom! Oh shit. I don't have any more. What the hell? Oh, there's a pelican! I got a pelican. Okay, let's go. Let's see how far I can go on this dumb thing. Up and over the canyon. What you think? What do you do? I'm in my video. What the fuck?